It's so great you're willing to start during the holiday, Jane.
Oh, it's my pleasure. I heard there was a lot of work and just want to get a head start.
Well, hello there, Charlie.
Say hello.
Bring your kid to work day. I love it.
Jake, this is Jane, our new quality manager.
Top of the morning quality.
Jake, what are you still doing here? I thought you left with everyone else for the holidays.
Well, this paperwork won't do itself. Sheila, quality.
I think Charlie would love the rec room across the hall.
Jake seems nice.
Never met a harder worker, but over the years, as the job got more difficult, so did he. To Jake, change means more work and more delays for his department.
Mr. Hall? Hello? Jake?
Hello, quality.
Oh, scared me. Hi, do you have a second to maybe talk about your system?
You here to make more work for me? Is that it?
Oh, no, I just noticed that you're still using paper batch records, and I think you could be more efficient if you
If I what, quality? You see those? They've been there for 3 weeks. Do you ever think about my responsibility to deliver my product to my customers?
Well, I mean, if you just worked with me and learned...
And learn what? A new system? More forms? More hoops to jump through?
Read! Read! Read that, read that, read that, read that, read that.
Jane, stay in your lane, Jane.
Charlie, are you okay? Charlie, what's wrong? Don't worry, I can fix this.
Knock, knock, Jane.
Leave us alone!
This is the way we've always done it, Jane. I've lost too many weekends to give it up now. Ah, there's Janie.
Hey! Ow. Do you really think this kind of behavior is okay?
Crap. I'm sorry, I care a lot about this stuff, you know?
I do too. I want to show you something. MasterControl Manufacturing Excellence. What if you could lose all that paper, maybe get your weekends back?
That's an intriguing possibility.
So we have review by exception, there's signature enforcement.
Signature enforcement, really?
You can custom build your own templates. There's integrated training, inline form launching. It will help you be right first time. And of course, it's all paperless.
Seriously, no paper at all.
No paper.
Wow.